Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Chainlink's chart. And if you remember in the previous update, I think we were right in here, and the idea was we don't really care what is going to happen in this area as long as we are not taking this importance low about, let's say, $12. We can remain optimistic and we are absolutely able to find some sort of a bullish count. And what we want to see from these areas, possibly a bell door, is a very strong move on the upside, and that, as you can see, absolutely happened. So I think we can all agree that this move is a great bullish sign in Chainlink, suggesting maybe the final low right in here about $10 is actually in. Now, what is happening in this specific move starting from this point? You see, from a zoom out point of view, it is very easy to consider a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right now call for a move on the downside. Now, do not get me wrong, this scenario can absolutely happen. However, there's a slight problem with it. Let's go on 5-minute time frame. You see, if you want to argue that this is a complete impulse starting from here to about this point, okay, how exactly are you able to find a 5-wave in it? From my point of view, it is kind of challenging to find a 5-wave, and I'm going to say maybe this is like a series of 1-2s. You see, this can be 1, 2, and sure, big move up into wave 3, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. But so far, I can tell you, look, there's a chance maybe this 5-wave on the upside is going to be into a larger degree wave 3, and then we are going to have a correction for 4 and at least like one more move up into wave 5. So if this scenario happens, do not be surprised at all. It is very normal. Now, here's a very important point. What happens after a 5-wave up? Even if we are looking optimistic, you know the answer, a move on the downside. So overall, I'm going to say having a pullback either starting from the current point or possibly a bit higher in Chainlink is not going to be that much of a bad sign at all. Trust me, odds are that pullback is just going to be a consolidation pattern. Now, ideally, I want to see something like this, like I said earlier, another move up and then a pullback to the higher band of this important area of supply, about, let's say, $15.50, and then another move on the upside in order to take this high. Why do I want to see this? Because at that point, we can say with a lot of confidence that this region is broken. We talked about this so many times. This is actually from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. And can you say we broke it right in here? The answer is no. Why? Because pay attention, we are on 5-minute time frame. If you want to say this is a broken level, you need to go on weekly charts and see a candle close above here, followed by that a pullback, and then a continuation of the move down. And I think something like this in Chainlink in the short term can actually provide this beautiful confirmation sign for us. So let's have a quick conclusion. In Chainlink, the fact that we got this move up before taking this importance low about $12 is a great sign, suggesting we are absolutely allowed to be bullish and optimistic, but nothing goes up or down in a straight line. Okay, that's why I want to tell you, sure, in the short term we may see a move up, but overall we need to expect some sort of a pullback, and odds are that's going to be a correction structure. And if we are able to find the right subwaves in here, okay, maybe this is going to be a beautiful long opportunity in the short term for us. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.